It has a sharp smell, a greenish-yellow cloud, and it sinks silently into low areas. By the time you notice it, you may already be in danger. Chlorine is widely used, but when it's mishandled, the consequences can be immediate, severe, and even deadly. That's why chlorine awareness isn't optional. It's essential. Welcome to the Chlorine Awareness online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a short, powerful safety course designed to help workers recognize chlorine hazards and respond the right way before an exposure becomes an emergency. In just 9 minutes, this course delivers critical awareness for anyone who works with or around chlorine in industrial facilities, water treatment plants, manufacturing sites, or storage areas. Inside this course, you'll gain a clear understanding of why chlorine demands respect. You'll learn how to recognize chlorine in both gas and liquid forms, why its physical behavior makes it especially dangerous, and how even a small release can quickly turn into a serious incident if workers aren't prepared. The course explains how chlorine affects the body, why exposure escalates quickly, and how simple awareness can prevent injuries to the eyes, skin, lungs, and respiratory system. You'll also explore safe storage and handling principles, the importance of proper ventilation and monitoring, and why moisture, heat, or incompatible materials dramatically increase risk. Most importantly, you'll learn how to respond during an emergency, when to evacuate, where to move for safety, who to notify, and why only trained personnel should attempt response actions. Chlorine incidents don't give second chances. This course helps you recognize danger before it escalates, understand how chlorine behaves in real environments, protect yourself and your co-workers from sudden exposure, respond correctly during leaks or releases, support a safer, more compliant workplace. Awareness is often the first, and most important, line of defense. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, verifying your chlorine safety awareness and showing employers your commitment to workplace safety. And because the course is only 9 minutes, it's easy to complete without disrupting your workday. Gain essential chlorine safety awareness in minutes, reduce exposure risks, improve workplace safety, and meet training expectations with fast, effective OSHA-aligned instruction. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.